Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 12. The point A, B, C, D are the consecutive vertices of a regular polygon with 20 sides. Find A, B, C and ABD. We have given a regular polygon with 20 sides, and A, B, C, D are the four given points of a 20 sides polygon. We have to find A, B, C angle. A, B, C, this angle which I have given the name X, and then the second part we have to find ABD, A, B and D, this angle I am giving the name it as Y degree. In the first part I have to find ABC, and the second part I have to find ABD, this part. In the second part I have to find AB and then D. In the first part I have to find A, B and C, this complete angle, and the second part I have to find this angle. So first part ABC. As a 20 side polygon is given, so it means that each interior angle of a polygon is equals to will be equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n. This is the formula, n minus 2 multiplied by 180. It is the formula for the sum of the interior angle of a polygon. When we divide it with n sides, so it means that it is the single interior angle, or each interior angle of a polygon will be equal to this. So each interior angle, I am writing each interior angle of a polygon will be equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. And if I want to find the sum of all interior angles, so the formula will be n minus 2 multiplied by 180 only. Then if we divide by n, so it means that to find each interior angle, so there are 20 sides, the given polygon of 20 sides, so 20 minus 2 into 180, so it is 18 multiplied by 180 divided by 20. So 18 multiplied by 180 divided by 20, so it means that each interior angle will be of 162 degree. Each interior angle will be of 162 degrees. So it means that ABC is an interior angle, and it is equals to 162 degree. In the second part I have to find ABD. To find ABD, we have to find ABD. To find ABD, I am considering the triangle BCD. In this triangle, this side is equals to this side, because these two sides are of our regular polygon. In regular polygon all sides are equal, so it means that this side is equal to this side. So the angle opposite to this side and the angle opposite to this side, it means that in this triangle, this angle and this angle are equal. So I can write such like that. In this triangle, in triangle BCD, for example, I am giving the name it as A degree. So it means that in this triangle, A degree plus this angle will be of 162 degree, because it is an interior angle of a 20 side polygon. So it means that each interior angle of the polygon is equals to 162 degree. So it means that this complete angle is equals to 162 degree, and this complete angle is also equal to 162 degree. So in this triangle, A degree and 162 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So it means that 2a will be equal to 180 minus 162, 18, and a is equals to 9 degree. It means that this angle and this angle will be equal to 9 degree. So as this complete angle is equals to 162 degree, which is an interior angle, and this part is equals to a, which is 9 degree, so it means that this remaining part will be equal to 162 minus 9 will be equal to this. So it means that at point B, ABC, the complete angle ABC will be equal to ABD plus angle B, or we can write like CBD. So it means that ABC is equals to 162 degree, and ABD we have to find ABD, and CBD is a degree, and a degree equal to 9 degree. So it means that ABD will be equal to 162 minus 9, and ABD will be equal to 162 minus 9. 162 minus 9 will be equal to 153 degree. So this is the question number 12. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.